Hi, I'm Felice Franklin, and today I would like to show you my kitchen. I am excited to have a one-stop shop where I could get the cabinets, the appliances, I could have my furnace moved, the wall removed. So one of the things that was just really great is the ease of knowing that one person was going to be doing the entire job. I enjoy entertaining my friends and my family, and we just had a holiday, and this was another opportunity to be able to use the kitchen. And I had indicated I wanted a larger stovetop, so now I have 5 burners, which was great. The counter space was wonderful, and the family just loves it. One of the things that was really great was that I decided to obtain a counter depth panel ready refrigerator. So now the refrigerator looks like the rest of the cabinets, so people will come in and then they try to determine where's the refrigerator. But actually, with it having the panels behind it, it just blends and it's just a beautiful space. And I've had family and friends that indicate when they grow up, they want to have a kitchen just like mine. If you're considering using Greystone, I would recommend them. They were able to completely gut the kitchen, design it, help me select the various things that I needed, move a wall, move my furnace, which was one of the reasons why I used them, because they were able to do all of the things that I wanted, and the kitchen is fantastic. Thank you to the Greystone team for helping me to design the kitchen of my dreams.